Hi all, I'm registered dietitian Krisha Veera Badani at HVS Hospitals Ghatkopar. I practice as a consultant dietitian. So here are a few frequently asked questions that we get from the patients. For a diabetic patient, the usual common question is, can I have organic jaggery, ghau ka gud or honey instead of sugar? The answer is no. It is a common myth that sugar can be replaced by organic jaggery. But if we try to understand, jaggery, be it organic or non-organic, and sugar, the main source is sugarcane. So when it comes to increasing blood sugar after ingestion, it is at the same level. So the answer is a big no for all: sugar, organic jaggery or honey. The next question is, for a hypertensive patient, can pickles be taken? So the answer is going to be a conditional. If it is a preserved pickle which is made in the last year and we are continuously having it, or probably market procured pickle, the answer is no, because a lot of salt is added to the pickle to preserve it for that much time. And also if it is ready-made pickle, sodium benzoate may be added again. So if it is a freshly made pickle with minimum salt but probably lots of lime, you can enjoy pickle. How much should be the ideal water requirement for an individual? So provided there is no fluid restriction from the treating doctor's end, the ideal fluid requirement for any patient can be up to 3 liters in the entire day. How do we increase the fiber intake in the diet? So of course, increasing the fiber intake means increasing lots of fruits and vegetables in your diet. Again, the POMOGs will be taken into consideration, and you can always take the help of fiber supplements to increase the overall fiber requirement of that particular day. Thanks.